Peace, love, and blessings on the children. You know who this shall be. This shall the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We're going on. One more again. Happy Black History Month. Now look y'all, just because the month don't start and thing like that, I got something I need 100 children for do for end this year month and thing like that. I want all 100 children for join me right here where I be, to the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center, the last Saturday in this month, the last Saturday this year month. Join me 11 a.m. that morning. We going to bless the grounds right here and over yonder the Daisy porch. Then I want 100 children for join me for come on through the whole month. Come here and see we new exhibit. This is the Grandma Hands exhibit and thing like that. So if you got groups, if one on tour, if one visiting this year area and thing like that, start through Bluffton, South Kakalaki, and come here to the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center and then see this year exhibit. This thing you bless up. Got all kind of different quilting thing in there. Got the indigo in there. Got some of the booty art and thing in there. You know I ain't going to take you inside because you have to come here for see. Rather was join me on February 28th, 11 a.m. This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I want you to join me right here. A Grandma's Hands exhibit and the release of 2 of my brand new books. I going there along with the artist Xavier Jenkins and thing like that. And 100 children going to see we new Gullah Geechee immersion guide. This going to be a family heirloom that 100 want to take you up and down and through the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida, and plenty of things that 100 can join in with we who the native Gullah Geechee and learn how to do and learn more about we culture and what coming true. So make sure y'all take the time, go to Eventbrite. Y'all going to see on the March 28th, follow Gullah Geechee Nation on Eventbrite, GullahGeecheeNation.com, and Gullah Geechee Nation on the Facebook fan page. You go to the Facebook fan page right now, you can click the link for the Eventbrite, sign up, join me and thing like that. And remember, in the no I and Geechee for the we, yeah? Gullah is Gullah, Geechee is Geechee. All right, Nation, Nation.com. Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook and Gullah Geechee Nation on Eventbrite, Gullah Geechee Nation Facebook fan page. And if on a day on IG, then you can follow we just at Gullah Geechee. And we still on Twitter. Y'all want to call them X Black Power. Okay? And things like that. So we want to make sure that 100 children join me. That way y'all will be able to open the door to more of we legacy, what they got in Bluffton, South Kakalaki. We don't want you to miss this year new exhibit that we got going on called Grandma's Hands. You see that? You see that? And if you really want to see them, then y'all gonna have to come here for see. So bring out the family, bring out all of the society, all your fraternal orders and everything like that, and come support. We brand new Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center. No, we ain't even a good 6-month-old yet. But y'all need to come on through and celebrate who we be. And we celebrate the Gullah Geechee land and legacy. I could be looking for you 11 a.m. February the 28th is the ceremony. Noon, going to be the book signing with me and artist Xavier Jenkins right here in the midst of Grandma's Hands. And we're going to take these hands that hold the quills and then scribe some more. But we story and celebrating we live in legacy. This year the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. One more again. Happy Black History Month, fam. Looking forward to seeing you, 100 children. I on the way to Florida now, and I hope that I see you down there at the Gullah Geechee Cultural Arts Showcase tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday in Nassau County, Florida. And then we making we way back up to South Kakalak. All right? Peace, love, and blessing, family. You know, when you meet us on the 28th, don't eat before you come, because you can nap on something over here at Daisy's porch, some good old Gullah Geechee food for nap on, and plenty gifts and things and art that you can take back from the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center. So, let's the Queen Quet, so proud to be part of the inaugural board for the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center and the founding member of we Geechee Society coming up out this Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center. So come here and join we and celebrate the Gullah Geechee and who we be. That's Saturday, February 28th, 11 in the morning for the ceremony, 12 noon for the book signing. Peace, love, and blessing, family. Keep enjoying Black History Month. Please share this with everybody you know. But honey, chillin', we got to hit the road, so it's time for me to go. Peace, love, and blessings. This is the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation.